Manhattan is 2.5 million people. In New York City, 8.5 million. New York City is comprised of Manhattan, Brooklyn, the Bronx, Staten Island, and Queens. Tickets, please. Yep. The New York State is, yes, is 12 million people. Yep.
Yes.
Thank you. Where are you from? It is bigger than Notre Dame. It's bigger than Heidelberg. Cologne. It's bigger than Westminster. Yeah. And behind it are 6 chapels behind the altar. All right, have a seat, everyone. If you want me to talk, go ahead. Have a seat. Do have a seat. You see those doors? They're only open up 3 times a year. The people go through the side entrance because they're so heavy. On the left-hand side of the doors are scenes from the Old Testament, and on the right-hand side are scenes from the New Testament. That's what they're looking at. But those doors are only open 3 times a year. On Easter, Christmas, and on a special day in October, which we just had 2 weeks ago, called the Blessing of the Animals, where you take your pets down to